Hi, welcome back to the channel on this freezing morning. Today I'm going to be replacing the 12 volt socket in the back of the Range Rover Sport. Let's have a look at it. Right then, let's have a look at it. Yeah, the power socket here on the left in the boot needs replacing. What's happened was, on using a air compressor to blow the tyres up powered by the socket, the plastic surround, as you can see here, just broke apart and left the socket part dangling. Now, not being a fan of leaving things dangling, I decided to replace it. I did order one on eBay stating that it was the right item, but as you can see, it's not the right item, and this is probably a socket that would go into the passenger compartment, and also the connectors are totally wrong. So that was £6 up the Swanee on eBay. So the moral of the story is find out the part number and order the right one, which I did, and that is this item here, as you can see. With the correct orientation, as you would expect. I'll leave the part number in the description below, and this was actually quite cheap. It's £6.83, but with horrendous packaging from Land Rover, which looks as though it's the cheapest way to go. To be honest, looking at prices from other suppliers, and it was in total £11.82, so quite a cheap fix really. So let's have a look at it. Let's fit it. Okay, the power socket comprises of three parts. There's the main socket here, which applies the power. Then you've got the shroud, which slots into the hole there, and then you've got the cover. Now, it can only go in one way because, as you can see, there's a tab here. Let's get a bit closer to it. There's a tab there that locates on this tab here to stop it swiveling around when you fit something. So let's go and assemble it. First we'll dismantle this, pull this socket out from the connector. Then we'll just slide the 12 volt cover over here like that. Let's clip it into place. There are clips on the socket, if you can see them, just there, there. So it's two altogether, and that just clips into place once it's slid into place there. So then the next thing we do is we take the body of the socket. It's got a ridge here which is formed into the metal, and that slides into a groove. So again, it can only go in one way. There's the groove there. Locate it, and then it's quite a tight fit actually. Slide it into place. Connect it up. And then find where the tab is. Oops, don't want to go at the moment. Right, that is not the way to try and fit it. First of all, take the connector through the loop, through the shroud. Then line everything up and slot it into place. Connect the socket, line up the ridge, which is hard to see here, and slide it into place. put the cap on, and that tab that locates there gives you the right orientation for the 12-volt logo. So there we have it. Easy job. Now I've got power in the boot again. Quite an easy job really. I haven't uploaded any videos recently. That's due to change, and I'll be doing a channel update very soon to give you an idea of what's coming, what jobs I'm going to be doing on the Land Rover. It's just had a few jobs done, which I'll go through in the next video, which will probably be coming out next week. Reasonable amount of expense, but I'll go into that then. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There's lots more to come on this car and some of the other cars I've got on my channel, and there may be something else coming soon. So as I say, please subscribe, hit that like button and hit the notification bell as well. So again, see you soon.